I want a video guy. I want to video this guy. He just rolls into camp, doesn't have a tent set up. Got to get his cot put together so he can sleep after he kills the turkey. Has to wash his hands. Yeah. Look at him over there. I know, it just rolls in here like it's nothing.
Yeah, it just shows up, starts shooting.
Y'all might build me a fire.
Hey, King Skylar's here.
We were around birds that morning, but when Skylar showed up, our luck changed, and it happened fast. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Wonder if that's Gavin on him. Go over there.
Yeah, it's hard to say no.
He's caught 4 times. He caught 4 times.
And he wasn't gobbling at me the first time.
If he was, he would be quick.
Yeah, because that's like 2 clucks. It's a long ways away. Come right here, Jay.
Oh, it's up there. Okay, I see him.
Scowl on it.
Is that him or her?
He's at the very top.
I see him. He's looking at us, isn't he?
Where there he is. Where do you think he's going? You think he's going?
He still got his head up. Where did he go down?
He went down. He probably gobbled that hand up. There's no way that's the same turkey.
I wouldn't think so.
You see him? He's coming right down the spine. You see him?
No.
You see him now?
Is he down your gun barrel?
Do you see him?
No. Is he down your gun barrel?
Yeah, but he's right on top of the ridge.
How far?
200. Right down the spine. He's coming.
Oh, I see him now, yeah. I see him.
That first one might be a Jay. Second one's a long beard.
To the right.
Holy cow. He ran it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Have you ever seen anything like that?
Did you see him running in?
That Jake was literally on that log. I was sitting there. Holy cow.
Did you see him run down the
I know.
spine?
Holy cow. He's running. Let's go. Let's go. I was just worried. Dude, you kill him stone dead, boy. Look at that. What a hunt, man. Can you believe that? What a gobbler. He came running.
He didn't want that Jake beating him.
Skylar, one of the coolest turkey hunts in my life. Dude, how amazing. I mean, look at this. Look where we are right now.
Dude, look at the hooks on this bird.
Oh,
Look at the daggers.
dude, he called like 5 times and I was like, I'll pee my pants. Like, oh my gosh, he's close.
Chase, Robert, shoot the throwers.
Yeah, look at this. Get over toward the sun. Oh, hell yeah. Golly. No joke. Probably one of the coolest turkey hunts in my life. That's why you get off an airplane and bust your butt to get over here. just in case.
Oh my God.
I mean, he was running down that hill with us. Dude. What do you have to say for yourself? 2 years in a row, man. You just get out here, Skylar.
Dude,
Just get out here and good things happen.
you can't kill him like this at the house.
Dude, great job. How awesome was that?
It was so cool. Yeah, we got here.
Did we even call?
Yeah, when they got out of the sight,
You called and
We
called,
called.
and then they ran.
and that one gobbled that we thought was closer. And then there must have been a hen up there with him. That was a pair.
You don't think it was the Jake?
What?
The second turkey was the Jake.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That wasn't a hen with him. That was
Oh,
a
yeah.
pair. That was that gobbler. That was
Yeah,
these
yeah,
two
yeah, yeah,
turkeys
yeah.
right there.
Day one of Idaho, and Skylar flew in today and landed at noon. And we got to hunting. We probably called first at like 3.
After we finally found somewhere to buy a tag.
Yeah, bought a tag, and I think it was about 3 o'clock. We first called, and we might have heard one turkey, and then a second one about 5. So it's a slow afternoon. And then we were hunting a bird we heard last night across the road, and then this bird had to be. Now that we're up here, he could have been almost a mile away. It
At least 1,000 yards.
1,000 yards away. We walk over here. As soon as we leave, the bird that we were going to hunt starts gobbling right where we should have been. And so I was regretting that we never moved. And we get over here, and we pop over the ridge, which thankfully we came there instead of the road.
I know.
If we hadn't done that move, we would never saw him.
Yeah.
We pop up on the trees, and Skylar looks up and says, I see a turkey. And the turkey's on the skyline at probably, 250 yards? Maybe 250 yards. And we slide back, and as the turkey goes down the hill, and called one time. And he gobbled, and then gobbled again on his own. And then the next thing I know, Scott he's running. And this turkey ran, I mean, probably 200 yards at least, 200 yards.
All the way down that spine.
There was a Jake in front, and thankfully we knew there was a Jake, because Scott didn't shoot the Jake. The Jake sat here and looked at us for a few minutes, and then left and walked less than 10 yards beside me. And then this guy came up, he was gobbling and strutting. I could hear him drumming. And then Skylar hadn't called for a while. And then you called that last time, and he lost his mind.
Yeah,
Gobbled
right
3
on
or 4
top of us.
times, drummed, and then shot him. And this tree right here was the biggest issue I had in filming. But I think we're having it on video. Either way, it was amazing. You hear the audio. And that's why turkey aren't there.
Yeah.
I mean, you just hunt all day because you don't ever know. It's 8 o'clock, literally. Sundown is
at 8:11, and so a few minutes on the legal light. But to even have a turkey come to you, much less come that fast, I mean, it was like you said, it was like 8 o'clock in the morning, and just did it right. So hopefully we get some more birds tomorrow and get Skylar a second tag filled and get another mountain gobbler.
Yeah, that one's still burning it down over there.
Get him in the morning.
Yeah.
Go. We'll just stay in the circle right here.
Man, you looked at me like, did you get him? Like you didn't say nothing.
I was scared.
I watched him just fly.
I know, I was scared. I was like, I hope he took his head off because he was close.
Wait till you see this. Wait till you see. He's right there. He's right there.
He was charging us.
He ran down the ridge. You can see him running down.
He gobbled probably 10 times from here to the road.
Oh, you're the luckiest.
He's huge. Let's go find some more.
Golly. Dude, what a stud.
That's what, oh, Gavin. He was a hammer and he acted like one.
Gosh.
You jerks. I was like, why are they not coming to the road? Guys, come to me.
I was about to walk up to you.